at that. Look at that. Hey, how y'all doing? It's a snack. I put it back. Hey, it's a snack. I put it back. I come out. It's a snack. I put it back. Hey, it's a snack. I put it back. Come on. Hey, y'all. It's your girl, Maisha. How y'all doing? All right. Y'all back. And y'all see what it's doing right here. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is my first seafood boil. Well, it's a snack. I'll put it back. Oh, I'm so excited. I love seafood, y'all. So I just want to let you know I'm back with another one. I'm back with another one. What I got today? Okay, so stop. I digress. All right, and I'm excited. First seafood boil on here. I'm a review. It's called the Louisiana Crawfish, the Cajun crab. This is located in California. Yeah, hey, how you doing? Cali swag pappy. You know what I'm saying? And it's also located in the city of Long Beach, North Long Beach. If you want to check them out, it's on South and kind of Downey. Kind of Downey. If you want to go check it out. So I will be reviewing this, and I just gotta give a shout out to Rihanna for hooking me up. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. She's a hostess, the cashier in the front. She's amazing. Such a cutie, so helpful. So shout outs to you for hooking your girl up with a bib and some butter and some seasoning. I'm sorry. Hooking your girl up. Thank you so much. Kisses to you. All right. And later on, I'm gonna also do some shout outs, okay? For all my stars, for all the support and the love. Anything I see you. Okay, so I'm gonna just get into it. But first, hold up. I'm gonna put my bib on because anybody that know me know I wears a bib. And I ain't even ashamed. You know what I'm saying? So like if we go to a restaurant, I'm gonna bust out my napkin if I ain't got no bib, okay? Like, I am not ashamed at all. Because at the end of the day, I hate stains. And I don't want to smell like my food when I leave necessarily. So, oh, it's on papers. Hold on. I'm going to get it together. Hold on. I know how to put a bib on. Hold on. So, I'm going to tie it up real good. Because I don't want no juices on it now. I don't want to smell like a seafood boil if I don't have to, okay? I'm just saying. All right. I got little fingers at work. I'm ready. Eat. Okay. So I hope you like it. The presentation. I got some snow crab legs, some sausages, potato and corn, and some scrimps. But I ain't got no hot sauce. Okay, maybe next time. This is my first time. I'll be easy. Oh, and I got some eggs. So let me see where I'm going to start. Wait, and I got some limes in the way. Wait, I got some butter. Wait, I got some salt and pepper. So. Yeah. And I got my handy dandy purple scissors. I feel like I'm ready. Like, y'all ready? We're going to eat this together, okay? 1 and 2. Okay, I'm going to get it together. I'm too excited. It's okay. I'm gonna start with something easy. Psych. I'm gonna start with a scrimp. Y'all like scrimps? I say scrimps, huh? I know. Don't judge it. I said I like scrimps. You want some? Oh, it's juicy, y'all. It's real juicy. Hold on. The seasoning I got mild for the spice. I don't like my nose running necessarily if I don't have to. See, it comes with the head on it. Okay, oh, it's dripping. Dripping. Let me first bite. Okay, first taste. Oh. I got a handy dandy trash bag. Hold on. So, I'm going to decide if it's a snack or I'm going to put this back. Psych. I ain't gonna put this back. You don't know this cost. Stop playing on myself. But if it was, I'm just saying I might. I'll just. But yeah. So I'm trying to get these. These are not deshelled shrimp. It's not deshelled. So I gotta get these little legs off of him. And this shell off of him. Okay. See? Going down. It's going down in the seafood boil. Okay. How many of y'all like seafood? Y'all like seafood? If you not like seafood, let me know. And if you don't like seafood and you think it's funky seafood, let me know. I mean, because there's some people that don't like seafood. They don't like it. They don't like the smell or anything. So, I mean, there's no judgment on here. Only good vibes. Good vibes. See, I gotta make sure ain't no nasty in it. Ain't no nasty. So, oh, let me get my pepper ready. I'm playing, huh? I'm gonna play myself. Don't do that. Hold on. Get my lemon, my limes. I like a lime. I like it a lime. I like putting a lime in my salt and pepper. I don't know, just add a good flavor to me. Some people don't like it, they just eat it straight. But I like the salt and pepper, to be honest with you. They kind of juicy. That lime was kind of juicy. I'm trying to get some juice so I can dip it. Dip, baby. Trying to dip it. You see me? I'm trying to get it out, y'all. A little squeezeroo. A little squeezeroo. Ain't never hurt nobody. I think I got a little something. A little something going on here. Okay, one more. Hold on. One more for the road. I think so. You see it? It's a little juicy thing there. Juicy thing. I mean, ain't no need to wash my hands off from the lime because I'm just getting into this sauce. It's real red, look real flavorful. I got the house seasoning, the house flavor. So it's got all the flavors in it. So when you go, you got to get the house. And they got a special for you when you go there. So check it out. Hold on, see. First bite. That's good. Y'all know I do the food happy dance when I do it. Stop. That's good. It got a little kick to it. In the back of the throat. Yes. This is soft shit. Let me dip it in my lemon. My lime juice. Ooh. I ain't even offer you now, huh? I'm sorry. I don't want to give you the piece I bit off of. Hold on, give me a minute. I'm going to get it together. It's good. Look how I look. Sashi. I want it. Kick them like taekwondo. Kick them. It's good. I'm trying. I don't know what I want. It's so good. It's just everywhere. Yes. Let me see. I'm gonna try this egg, y'all. Here, I'll give you a piece of this. Here. It's just dripping, huh? Get some. I'm gonna bite this egg. Hold on. Let me see. Yeah. That's good. That's real good. Ooh, I can't concentrate. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Snack. It's a snack. Not good. Hold on. Let me see what the little leg do. The snow crab leg. It be looking so intimidating, but it be so good. So good. Woo! Trying to get away. It's trying to get away. You ain't leaving me. Hold on. Hold on. Let me dip it in my sauce. I think that's good. So good. Let me see. I'm a woman handle this. Hold on. Little baby. Here. Hold on. Dip it in a sauce. But see, this bite gonna have a little. That's for you. Get that. Good. Dang, Gina. How you doing? That's good. I wish I could eat seafood every day, but it gets kind of pricey after a while. You know what I mean? I mean, like, is it a specific day you're supposed to eat seafood though? Like, let me know. You know what I'm saying? Is it a weekend food? Is it a delicacy? Huh? Oh, what'd you say? Ooh, it's strong. Ooh. Okay, I guess I'll try with the butter this time, huh? Hold that for me. Hold it, bowl. Ooh, this get kind of messy, huh? Ooh, gotta put your back into it. Ooh. Look at it. Oh, I tried to get it out whole. Look at it. I'm putting in the butter. Let me see how this go. That's good. So good. Don't eat the propeller, huh? Okay. That's good, y'all. All the flavors come together. It's good. I would definitely recommend the Louisiana Crawfish, the Cajun crab. Great customer service. For those who live in California and Long Beach, very local. You like it? Take your family there and eat. Go sit down somewhere and get your grip on. Get your grip on. Okay. Now I want to try this potato. It's so cute. Let me see. I'm gonna bite it first. Hold on. How many of y'all like potatoes? So good, potato. So good. As a kid growing up, did you eat seafood? Or just as an adult? I don't know. You know, me neither. I think I had my first taste of gumbo when I was a little girl. Shout out to Aunt Sally for that. I need some more now. You can throw down with some gumbo. Don't play yourself. I think that's when I fell in love with food. I was a little girl. Okay, when I get older, I'm gonna get me some. I like to eat the potato. So good. I'm trying not to smack too hard, y'all. But it's good. Dip it in the butter. I hope you had a good day. nice today. Very productive. Ripping and running. Now I'm finna eat this corn. Look. Ooh, stay with it. I gotta back it up. Back it up. Corn is sweet. I like sweet corn. I love sweet corn. And you prefer your corn not to be sweet. It just tastes like corn, not sweet corn. Only time I don't like sweet corn is when a elote woman or man comes through. Give me my elote blanco. I don't want sweet corn. But some people might like the sweet corn. If you like the sweet corn, let me know. Comments below. Oh, that's good. I wanted to go get y'all. Huh? Dang, I ain't even sharing today, huh? I'm sorry. Spices be kicking though. I love corn. It's so good. Sorry, hold on. I'm gonna be back in a minute. Hold on. Intermission. Let me get together. Act like I've been raised now. Hold on. I don't like soggy corn though. Why do you get soggy corn? Not sitting the juice too long. This is just right. Just right, not overcooked. I don't like that. This spice is kicking. It's kicking. Look at the bib. What you know about the bib? The bib coming through for your girl. On the throat. Whew. Whew. Let me get some water. How many of y'all think eating seafood is a workout? I'm gonna tell you something. I think it is. I think I'm gonna get some buff arms from all this cracking and from holding stuff. Buff. Good. Water good. It's good for you. Clean out everything. Everything ain't right. Everything that ain't right. I don't think I want another sauce shack. Do another sauce shack, dipping in the sauce. So good. I like the lime. Also, I'm gonna do some shout outs right now. I thought I could do it after the one bite. That ain't happening. I ain't doing it. So good. I need this. Who else eat with a bib on? And not just for little kids, okay? I also want to give a shout out to I love Koo and the Creole Queen. Oh, so sweet. I love y'all to pieces. I just want you to know that. Pieces. So sweet. Y'all be repping your girl. Appreciate y'all. And they also do mukbangs. They fun. And they be eating good too. And just check them out. They on YouTube as well. I got the Koo and the Creole Queen. Hey y'all. How you doing? Also, I got some more shout outs, but hold on, let me keep eating. I'm tired. Hold on. I want to eat some more. Gotta represent. Show love to your people. My superstars. How you doing? Yeah. With the egg and stuff. That ain't right. And don't be afraid when you go to ask for extra sauce. Because I know you can't go wrong with extra sauce. Luckily with seafood. I'm about to drink this juice. I'm playing. I'll drink it. I so did. That's delicious. And then hit it with the shrimp again. My little friend. It's good. I love that shrimps. They be sweet. I love that about them. And the place right here seems so fresh. Like, so good. So good. I like that. You like that? Fresh seafood. Look like I got time to be getting no belly ache. Okay? You don't have time to get sick. Nobody likes that. No, no, no. Oh, I'm gonna have to clean it. Oh, rude. I'm gonna jump in my sauce. I gotta jump in shrimp, y'all. Hold on. Let me make sure it's all right. It's not cleaned out. Something going on. Hold on. Nope. Back on track. Back on track. So now I'm dipping it in the lime sauce. Dang, butter come through. In the butter. But this so good, you don't even need that. We just enjoy the sauce. In all honesty. In all honesty. Just being honest. Let me see. Gotta cut it like I mean it. Cut it like I mean it. Okay, I don't want to pop somewhere. Disastrous. No, I didn't cut it again, huh? Cut off. Put my back into it. Oh, I ain't even that. Little baby meat right here. I'm trying to get it out. It's not working. Hold on. This piece don't like it. Is it worth it? I did a look, little baby. Stop doing that. Just come on out. Play too much. You know what I'm saying? I have so much sauce in my lime sauce. I don't even need to dip it back in my plate. I gotta keep my bib together though. I don't feel like all of that. All of that. What y'all want to eat? Y'all want some? You know I love to share. I love to share. I'm gonna eat some more of this. Cone. Let's see. What's my friend? Usually I'll be talking, huh? Not today. Oh, good. Mm. Mm. I'm just satisfied. I want to get some shout outs to Annette. Hey, girl. Also, Alex. Hey, man. Also, Jacqueline, aka Turkey. Hey, girl. Also, Leslie Hart and Latoya. And Braveheart, I sent you. Braveheart 20805. He also has a channel that you can check out. Ooh, also, JR Beauty has a channel. Faraday Superstars, GC Mob Entertainment, and Ralph, aka Rafa Nadal. I'm just playing now. Rafa, I'm just playing. Superstars. I'll see y'all in the comments. I have to shout y'all out. In hand supporting your girl like that. You know I like that. I'm starting to get full. I'm tired. I'm tired now. This is a workout. It's so good though. I can definitely go back here again. And again. Delicious. A snack order. I love it. If you've ever been here, what's your perception? What's up? Louisiana Crawfish, the Cajun crab. How you like it? You like it? Have you ever tried it? But if you don't like seafood, I don't want it now. I don't even like seafood. Oh, there we go. What do you get? They have other stuff too you can eat there. You don't have to just eat seafood, but it's predominantly seafood. There's no seafood on. I think I did good. Yep. I'm not about to do a sausage, y'all. I got tired of chewing that corn, taking me out. Take me out. Dip it in my little line. I'll dip it again. Hold on. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. I'm not making too big of a mess, so I'm happy about that. Okay. Fill her up. Yes. I was looking for my sausages. Y'all know. Can't do it no more. I'm tired. Woo. All right. First seafood boil. I get better. All right. But I just want to let you know. I'm tired of eating. I'm tired now. But it's delicious. So go ahead and check out the Louisiana Crawfish, the Cajun crab. Enjoy yourself. It's not super expensive. You can get something for you just yourself. The house special. Okay? Go with like 20, $30. Get you some seafood, get you something to eat. Alright? Okay. Thank you for watching. I'll get better. Y'all know still some food there, but leave me alone now. Leave me alone. Comment, like, subscribe, share with everybody, your family. Thank you so much for tuning in. Here, take this home. Put it in your doggy bag. Oh, and come back and see what your girl is doing. Thank you so much. All right, y'all. Bye.